Play-Doh Diggin rigs with Boomer the fire truck. The playset includes the vehicle, book mold, plastic fire axe, 2 stampers, and 2 cans of Play-Doh. To create the Play-Doh fire, just place your Play-Doh into the stamper. You can also place the Play-Doh into the ground and then press it down with the stamper. You can place your plastic axe beside Boomer the fire truck. Now let's create some more Play-Doh fire. You can also create a fire hydrant by taking out his hat. Just press down. And you have a fire hydrant. This is Ryder from the lookout. Farmer Yumi says the farmer's market's on fire. Oh no, I'll have to call Chase. And Marshall, I need your help. Here at the farmer's market, there's a fire. Chase, it's on the case. Let me put out the fire. Go ahead, Marshall. See if you can put out the fire. Ryder, the fire is going too fast. We need help. Don't worry. Boomer the fire truck here. Let me help put out this fire by squirting water onto it. Just a little bit more and this should do the job. It looks like it's working. It's working! Boomer! It's working! The fire is slowly disappearing! Boomer, that was an awesome job on your part. Thank you so much. Not a problem, Paw Patrol. Whenever you need me, just call me. Boomer is on his way for another job. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our other videos. Thank you.